Hello mga mi, tutorial naman tayo ng graduation doll gamit ang fuzzy wire nang hindi gumagamit ng tissue or styrofoam ball. Sumukat lang ako ng 12 cm mga mi, tapos ganito yung ginawa ko.
Slow let colors bloom. Peace is waiting in this room. I'll twist the stem then shape the leaf. Let go of noise, let go.
Para lang tayong nananahi dito mga mi.
Fold around it, line little by little, it all aligns. Petals form beneath the light, soft and simple, pure and bright. No need for more, no need to race, just wire heart and a quiet place. With every twist, a story grows. In every bloom, the stillness flows. We craft not just to fill the day, but to let our worries drift away.
Tapos mga mi, gagawa lang ng dalawang tenga.
Gentle hands, we build a world that
Dito ako maglalagay ng buhok mga mi para matakpan to. Sa paggawa naman ng buhok mga mi, kumuha lang ako ng floral wire at nagpaikot lang ako ng kulay black na fuzzy wire. Kayo na bahala kung anong gusto nyong kulay ng buhok ang ilagay.
Some make flowers, some make rings. I make common little things. Pink and yellow, green and gold. Peaceful shapes my fingers hold. Golemus can wait, the world can pause. In crafting I forget the flaws. No pressure here, just ease and grace. A little bloom, a quiet space. With every twist, a story grows. In every bloom, the stillness flows. We craft not just to fill the day, but to let our worries drift away. With fuzzy wires and gentle hands, we build a world that understands. So breathe, create, and softly try. With love from you.
Ganyan lang ang gagawin mga mi hanggang matakpan yung butas.
With every twist, a story grows. In every bloom, the stillness flows. We craft not just to fill the day, but to let our worries drift away. With fuzzy wires and
Lalagyan muna ng hot glue mga mi para kumapit sa floral wire. Ito na yung magiging leeg niya mga mi.